What's going on, YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. Take a look. We have the Air Jordan 3 Beiges. About to give you guys a detailed review and an on feet. Stay tuned for the on feet at the end of the video. But yeah, man, I was able to pick these up at J&M Sneakers. All the information will be in the description below. Follow them on Instagram. That's one of my go-to spots right there, and they always taking care of me, you know what I'm saying? Now, everybody knows this shoe is inspired by Justin Timberlake and Tinker Hatfield. They did a collab. It's inspired by the color of Justin Timberlake's album cover, Man of the Woods. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like these. Starting off, we're going to start off with the box. Now, they gave great packaging, I must say. As you guys can see, you have a nice, the color of the box is similar to the color of the shoe. It does have a nice forest wood feel to it on the box. You got your white Jumpman. When you open up the box, it does come with some nice, it got like a forest grassy kind of paper. And you do got the Man of the Woods logo right there. The colorway on the shoe is Beige Camellia. Now, retail was $250. As for quality, like when I seen this shoe, man, in hand, the quality is so dope. Like, they did a great job. I can see why the shoe's $250. Let's start off with the front of the toe. As you can see, just look when I rub it. Like, it's just like a soft suede, and it has that rugged look to it, you know what I'm saying? But it's really, really soft. Going up, you can see they did hit you with some premium leather laces on the tongue. You got your embossed Jumpman. That Jumpman just popping out at you. That's a nice touch right there. Now, the shoe does come with two sets of laces. You do have your orange laces, and on the other one does come with the Beige laces. Me, personally, I would prefer the leather laces. It just gives it more premium look. Does come with the hang tag. You got your Tinker Hatfield hang tag. Now, as you guys can see on the front of the toe, you do got your elephant print, your iconic elephant print on the 3 going in front of your toe. They did put it in black, which is nice. You got your white on your midsole with the black that comes from the back that goes behind the heel. You do got this nice soft leather, and the leather is real soft, which goes around the front of the toe and in that Beige. And on the upper of the shoe, you do have that nice premium suede. Got your hits of yellow. Let's get to the medial side. Take a look. As you can see, same as the lateral. Here it does say Higher. That was the song that was on the album, which is very, very nice. In the suede, like, they just making it pop out, and it feels so dope. Like, they did a great job with your elephant print on the back and on the front. Back of the shoe, they did hit us with the Nike Air on the back, which just gives it a nice touch. Now, behind the pull tab, Man of the Woods logo right there on both shoes. Back of the tongue, do have Tinker Hatfield signature back there. On the other one, you do got the Justin Timberlake signature back there. Now, inside of the shoe is cool. The inner soles, one of them says stress is cruel. The other one says fame is a lie. One of them has fire on it, and the other one has like a forest type look to it. Now, take a look at the bottom. Bottom is pretty cool, I must say. You got your Nike right there with your orange hits, and you do have like a grayish translucent sole. And I think that's pretty nice. If you guys are gonna pick this shoe up, I suggest you guys go true to size. Definitely go true to size if you're gonna pick this shoe up, man. All around, really, really happy to have this shoe. About to give you guys an on feet, show you guys what they look like. I want to know in the comments, what do you guys think about these? Was it a cop? Is it a pass? You know, did anybody pick them up? Did you try to pick them up? Very happy to have them, because now I got the OG Justin Timberlakes and had to add the Beiges. In the comment section, let me know, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer the Beiges, or do you prefer the Justin Timberlake white cements? Alright, I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, got more videos to come. It's your boy Diaz Dan, and I'm gone.
Yeah. Real niggas trying to get out, fake niggas trying to fit in. Yeah. That fun shit, man.
Yeah. I told my nigga I'm one call away. If you need me there, I lose it all today. We been through so much, look at how far we came. If I go down, you can charge it to the game. I got your back until we meet again. And my heart is where I keep you, friend. Niggas said that they gon' ride, they don't even spin. Niggas said that they gon' ride, they don't even spin. I don't name drop, just blow your brains out. Niggas talking in the streets, steady making the gang hot. If it's beef, it's with the same guys. We got gang ties. I was waiting outside his crib, I wish the nigga came out. School breezy, problem child, head first in these streets. Started with no job, went to work in these streets. Shad City, I think I'm geek, fan first in these streets. If a nigga tried us, we would get murked in these streets. We went from middle school all the way through high school. My first vid on YouTube, it was just me and you. When you pick up the tool, swear you had a loose screw. If a nigga cross you, you would give him a moon roof. And they said my niggas tore the fast. Damn, I wish Davey would've took his mask. Schools called me up like Davey Dad. Who would've know a few weeks later he'll be next? I told my nigga I'm one call away. If you need me there, I lose it all today. We been through so much, look at how far we came. If I go down, you can charge it to the game. I got your back until we meet again. And my heart is where I keep you, friend. Niggas said that they gon' ride, they don't even spin. Niggas said that they gon' ride, they don't even spin.